Guys, and today on Elijah's Corner we're gonna cook bacon rolls. So here are the ingredients: white mushrooms and bacon. So we already got the bacon laid out. Now we need to put at least 3 to 4 mushrooms. Okay, now we start rolling from here and then hold it all together and then roll very slow. Make sure the mushrooms don't come out. Done with our first one, and it now looks like some haystacks or something.
Okay, you can do it one more and then show to them how you're going to cook it.
Okay, let's get one more, and I don't know which one to get. I'm getting this one then. Is this too? Okay, I'm gonna get this one. Well, we start from the very small edge. So I'll put it here this time. Doesn't matter the size of the mushroom. I just want to see the half of the mushroom. Anyways.
You're helping your mom?
Yes.
Wow.
Doing the same thing. The tip is you have to start from the edge, like the smaller edge of the bacon. Then we have a big lump again. Still. Yeah.
And
okay, now we're going to
how are you going to cook this?
We're gonna go here. As you can already see, this one.
Yeah, come on, and then you show them how you're going to cook.
Okay, so
be careful, okay? Okay, you going to
get this thing and
what do you call this? Tong. And then
we put it in
down slowly, and then let's go. Come on, come back here. It's done. You leave that one. How many minutes?
For like 5 minutes.
Okay, come on.
Or maybe 10.
And where's your finished product? Show. Oh, put it down.
Oh. Here's the finished product. We ate 2 of it. So let me taste test this one.
Yummy. That is the perfect time to help your
mom
and to leave the
gadgets.
Yes. Okay. What will you say to them?
Bye. Don't forget to subscribe to Elijah's Corner. If you don't want to miss the latest videos, then hit that notification button, or if you want, make sure to subscribe and like button. Bye. Don't forget to subscribe.